Hey guys, it's Trevor with Embers Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. We just got unloaded off the truck a brand new 2019 Napoleon Pro 825 gas grill. I'm super excited to unbox this and see what it looks like in comparison to the 2018 model. It's brand new, just came out. You can see this is no small barbecue, so I'm excited. Let's get this open. We'll show you how easy it is to put together. Pretty much comes pre-assembled, and we'll get it open and put together. Okay, so we just got it put together. It took us about 10 minutes or so. You can see in our time-lapse video, it's pretty much assembled. We just had to connect our side shells. Overall, I like it. You know, if you look at previous models, not a whole lot different compared to the 2018 model, but we do have the upgraded lighting system. You see we have the multicolor light features. You probably saw that review in our Pro 500 series. And then we have our motion sensor light on the bottom here. And overall, I think this multicolor light feature is super attractive, especially on a premium grill this size. You've probably seen our other in-depth reviews, but essentially what we have is we have two dual infrared burners with this head, as well as a warming burner to keep things warm if you just are using this, or high heat searing. And then we have our regular cooking space over here as well with our smoker tray and our smoker tube. Then over here we have a power burner. I'll show you a close up of this. But normally on their smaller grills you get an infrared here. Here we have a power burner. And then what's really cool is one of my favorite features with the Pro Series is going to be their cabinet system on their cart models. So it's all 304 stainless steel doors, and they're all going to be soft close cabinet system, all with under lighting here, pull out drawer on propane. If you're on natural gas, you are going to get your hose connections. Now, incidentally, if you're cooking at night, a little side feature I noticed is when you pull out these open drawers, that light that normally shines on the floor is going to light up these cabinets as well. So if it's in the nighttime in the dark, you're going to get lighting on these two pull-out cabinets also, which is pretty cool. Overall, we're going to do a comparison. Check out one of our other videos. The highest end Napoleon grill, which is this model here, versus our highest end Fire Magic grill. What are the differences? Which one should you go with? Stay tuned for that video. But overall, just wanted to unbox it, show you how quick and easy it is to set this bad boy up, and show you what's new for 2019, which is pretty much our exterior lighting features, which is super cool. If you have any questions, you can call or text our staff at 303-800-5659. If you're in the Denver metro area in Colorado, these products are in our showroom. So come down to our showroom, check out these products today. And thanks a lot for checking out this video today.
Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out our video. Make sure to like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much.